Gigi's lectures were finally back. We're gonna do football practice, but it's different. So you see here's the football. It's a marble, really. Here is our striker for BCS FC. It's not a actual football club. Even that one on the left is not a football club. WTF. Because WTF, I know what it stands for. It's just WTF FC. Then here is BCF FC. Today we're going to see who's the better team. You can do the most skills in 1 minute. You can do the most flip overs in 1 minute. And who can do the most fouls in 1 minute? Well, we got the first striker on WTF and the only striker on BCF. Let's do a simple thing called penalty shootout to make sure who is the better striker. Greenery is new signed, so we'll put him 1v1. Now just remove these. And there's gonna be a goalie. The best goalie right here, which is perfected so far in all the matches. We're gonna do a penalty shootout. Whoever scored the most penalty wins. Is this the best striker? Is this the best striker? Or is this the best striker? First, second, third. Who's the better striker? Okay, we're starting off in the penalty shootout area. You see? Going forwards. Yeah? There's the marble. You might be there. And this green striker going greenery, he's gonna shoot it into the goal. They have 5 chances. Whoever scores the least out of 5 is getting discarded, and they're third place in the best striker position. So, greenery. Go for it. Okay, that's a good penalty. That's a good penalty. What did it go? Okay, that's a good penalty. Now the second penalty. Had I put much power? So still one. Third. That went over the keeper. That's crazy. So look, I'll explain it. It went over the keeper and then into the goal. That's crazy for one. The fourth chance. Hey, that's a crazy penalty. It went in, then went on the line. So here's the line. It went in and it went back on the line. Yeah, that's a good pen. Now the last pen, he'll still score like 4. He shoots it wide, bro. Right there. Right behind me, like there. So, he scores 3. Anyone who can be 3, they're first in position. Okay, let's put this one aside. Next is the red striker on the same team as Greeny. 3, 2, 1. Oh, straight pen, 1-1. It's a 1v1, second pen. The keeper didn't dive again, bro. He didn't dive twice. Third. does it. He's the best. Now fourth. He shoots it wide. So he's in first place. So put him there. The last contestant for today is the screen is the other striker from the other team. Were he able to score 5 pens in a row? If he scores 4, then it will be a 1v1 match. Or he misses the first one. He does the second one. He does the third one. He does the fourth one. This is the last penalty chance. This is the last minute. He does it! This guy, best striker, best striker. If you want to see more, click on the subscribe button and see